Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the recent Mayor Cook-Off challenge of CodeChef. The level of problem is a medium, and this concept is on 2D matrix and dynamic programming. Uh, and the problem statement is last problem, and according to the statement given, see, Deep wants to become a 7-star coder on CodeChef. To achieve this goal, every day he has to solve some problems. But first time, since he was new to programming, he wasn't able to solve a single problem and lost his confidence. Can you help him solve the problem? This is just a story. According to the problem, here given a matrix which extends infinitely, we have to find the maximum profit to reach from one point to the other point. See, they will be giving four indices, x1 y1 and x2 y2. We have to go from x1 y1 to x2 y2 such that we can our profit is more. Profit means here we have 1, 3, 6 and 10, and 2, 4, 7. Taking 3 is more profitable than 2 for reaching to 9, and taking 6 is more profitable than 5 to reach 9. So if you have to reach from 1 to 9, then the direction will be 1, 3, 6 and 9. So we have to like that he will be giving 1000 number of test cases, maximum of 1000 test cases, and 1000 size matrix both. X1 y2 is 1000, x2 y2 is 1000, maximum of 1000. So the problem is quite simple. According to the problem, the matrix is of the form like this. We have to consider 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these are 1, 2, 3 with 1 based indexing I am taking. So from here to here there is 1 increase, here to here there is 2 increase, here to here 3 increase. In the similar fashion, here to here it is 2 increase, 3 increase and 4 increase. So first we will fill this row in our code, and later on row wise we will be starting on filling our form. As you can see here, the matrix is of the form like this. So maximum will be towards the left hand corner of the 2D matrix. So whatever may be the case, so here he has given a condition that he has to go from 1, 1 to 3, 3. Means he has to go from here to here. So the best possible way is going from 1 to 3 and 3 to 6 and 6 to 9 and here to here. This is 13. So 1 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 9, 19 plus 13, total 32. This is the best way. So by on seeing this condition, we are able to find that first he has to reach the row in which it is there and traverse in the column. Sorry, we have to reach in the row in which the last index is present, and then go traverse till this position. So our code is quite simple. First we have to take a 1000 by 1000 matrix. The 1000 by 1000 matrix we have to take it and fill accordingly. First we have to fill the first column. So dp of 1, 1 is always 1, and from I equals to 2 to I equals to 1000, dp of 2 comma 1. dp of 2 comma 1 is this row. So this is dp of I minus 1 comma 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. So dp of 2 1 is dp of 1 1 plus I. dp of 1 1 is 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, dp of 3 1 is dp of 2 1 plus I. 2 1 is 3 plus 3, it is 6. dp of 4 1 is dp of 4 comma 1 plus I. So dp of 4 comma 1 is 6 plus I is 4. So here we'll fill 10. And coming to this logic, this is filling in this way from this direction to this direction. So we have to take first row and fill accordingly. First row, this is counter inc I. This is required to fill these columns, fill these rows. So dp of ij is dp of I comma j minus 1 plus inc. So dp of 1 comma 2, dp of 1 comma 2 is dp of 1 comma 1 plus 1 is 2. dp of 2 comma 1 is dp of 3 comma 1 is dp of 3 comma 2 plus I. So we have to fill accordingly this chart. In this way we will get a chart of 1000 by 1000. So after this filling this 1000 by 1000 matrix, we will save it like that, and we have to clear the test cases. Now test cases will be taking an input of x1 y1 x2 y2 and as input, and making initializing answer variable to 0. Now we have the we have to consider this and solve this problem. So whatever may be the indexes to reach from x1 to x2, so we have to go from 1 1 to 3 3. We have to go in down direction and go in this direction. So from x1 comma y, we have to add all the variables until it is less than x2. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 4. So while x1 is 1, x2 is 3, so y1 is 1 1 3 and 3 according to the question. So from 1 1 to x1 is 1 and y1 is 1. Add this and increment x. So add 2 comma 1 and add this, so 4, and continue 3 comma 1 and add this. So till here 1 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. We have answer 10, and we have reached the row in which 13 is 3 comma 3 is present. So now start incrementing y, means we are traveling in this direction. So dp of x2 is 3 and y1 is, now y1 is 1, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, already we have incremented here, right? So 3 comma 2. Now 9 will be added to this and y1 plus plus, and we have reached 3. So we have to stop the iteration and add 13 to it. So total answer will be 32. In the similar fashion for every statement it will be solving. So the main logic here is traverse till the row which it is present and traverse in the column. Thanks, and if you like it, please subscribe the channel, and if you like it, please click the like button, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment.